Hi there, I am Jo from Jo's Paradise of Colour. In this video I will be sharing day 18, which was a pretty short day because I couldn't stay awake. I only did very little, so I will be combining it with today's, which is day 21. I had a couple of days rest. I had to go to the doctors, and then I was waiting for fish to be picked up, which never happened. Very frustrating, but it is now sorted. This fibre is called OPTIM. It's merino, but it has been, I've got it on my screen. I'm going to read from it. So it says, OPTIM Fibre Stretches Technology, co-developed by Nanshan and Woolmark. Pre-stretched merino, wool fibre, which are then spun into yarn before being woven to create wind and water resistant fabric made from 100% merino wool. OPTIM technology enhances the wool fibres naturally water repellent properties through a tight weave, offering water resistant and wind protection for outdoor performance wears without chemicals, treatments and PFAS. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, interesting. I don't think it's as soft as the other stuff though. It feels a bit gritty on your hands. It's a bit tougher on your hands too. I tend to get cuts spinning it, but it does make really nice yarn. So I'm presuming that this is only a woven yarn, like this yarn is for weaving only, which probably would make some really nice woven vests and shawls and stuff if you're going to be doing any event outside in windy weather, if it's raining, etc. Probably a nice fibre to try making something nice with, something different. I don't think many people are selling OPTIM fibre anymore. The price has gone up to roughly $26 a 100 grams, and it's very hard to find. But I've got like 500 grams of it, maybe a little bit more, gifted by my mum. She had a whole bunch of it, gifted it to me. This is very similar feeling to the sterling silver fibre that I've got, which is somewhere. I will find it one day, and I will probably, I'm not game enough to spin it, the sterling silver fibre. but it might be interesting to do a video trying it out. You're supposed to spin it really, really fine, and then it's supposed to make interesting garments that take shape. Like you can mold it to shape. Like collars, like sort of like art pieces at the galleries and stuff. You see them, they look really cool. I don't know, I'd have to get some images and put them on the video so you know what I'm talking about. For anyone interested in my health, I will have an update video coming out soon and doing an unpacking of a large parcel. Beautiful fibre that I have purchased for this year's Christmas advent calendars for Fibre. If you're interested, I'll have 5 boxes available. I am looking at making the bags this year instead of doing boxes. And then there'll be little parcels to open each day for 12 days. I like to try keep all my event things Australian. So this year for the Christmas advents, I am putting together a 100-gram pack of 6 colors of eucalyptus fiber, which is something a little bit extra special for you if you're interested. And then the colorway is more of a earthy kind of rich color palette for from golds to reds to greens. So it's going to be a very beautiful pack this year, something different to last year's. There won't be as many gifts, but I have purchased special gifts for these packs already, which will be a surprise. I will also have 5 tie-dyed box bags, advent calendars, and 5 more semi colorways and speckled colorways. Like it's going to be a more colorful but semi-solid range, and they will be the budget box. I will have 5 of them as well. So this year I'm looking at 15 advent calendars all up. I will advertise them on my Etsy shop and on my Facebook page as soon as I have finished making the bags for them, and I have at least one to take pictures of. So yeah, if anyone's interested, just keep an eye out on my Facebook page mostly, and I will keep that up to date and some sneaky peeks. So I will get that video out after the Tour de Fleece event is over, and then yeah, I have a couple extra spinning videos to put up as well. So let's get into the spin. It will take me a little while. I was going to scrap it and start something different and hopefully get a couple yarns out before this event ends, but I think I'm just going to continue with this. It is going to be a light fingering weight yarn, which is spinning up to this weight at the moment. This is going to take me a couple of days though, depending on how I'm feeling today. But if I fall asleep, like day 18, I only got 30 minutes done. And I need to at least do 4 hours today to get through it a little bit more. I could probably finish this in 2 days if I push myself, and I spun all night tonight, but I'm starting late. It's already 3 o'clock, 3:30 in the afternoon. So if I go until about dinner time, I might have a break, an hour break, around 5 o'clock, get dinner on, come back, do another hour, and then stop, have dinner, and then might come back for 2 hours, and then I'll go off and play games with my husband. I am going to go and get dinner ready, and I will start back up after I've got it in the oven. But I've only got this much left, so it's probably about 30 minutes left to do on this one, and then I'll be ready to ply it.